Welcome to our roundup of the best caulking guns of 2026, essential tools for anyone tackling sealing, weatherproofing, or finishing work around the home or job site. A good caulking gun helps you apply sealants and adhesives smoothly and evenly, whether you're installing trim, sealing gaps, working on bathrooms, or weatherproofing windows and doors. Modern caulking guns offer features like smooth pull mechanisms, electric or cordless operation, ergonomic grips, and improved control that make your work cleaner and faster. We've selected top models based on performance, ease of use, build quality, and overall value. Let's take a closer look at what makes each caulking gun stand out. Starting with the Jess Innovations caulk gun, this model is a solid entry-level option for beginners and occasional users. Designed with a smooth glide mechanism, it helps reduce hand fatigue while applying silicone, latex, or adhesive sealants. The sturdy frame ensures stable performance, and the comfortable grip makes it easier to maintain control on longer seams or awkward angles. Many users appreciate how straightforward it is to load and use, which makes this gun a great choice for DIY projects and small home repairs. Its no-frills design keeps the focus on reliable operation rather than complicated features, helping you get started quickly and confidently on sealing tasks without unnecessary fuss. The durable construction and reliable rod prevent backsliding, and a precise trigger allows better bead placement even for detailed trim and molding work, making it a dependable option in any basic toolkit. Next up is the Saker electric caulking gun, a step up for users who want extra convenience and control. This electric model typically provides consistent pressure with minimal force required from your hand, making it ideal for larger jobs or extended use. The smooth push mechanism helps deliver even bead lines without the common squeeze and release rhythm of manual guns. It's particularly useful for gutters, baseboards, trim work, or long stretches of sealant application where hand fatigue can slow you down. Many versions also include variable pressure controls so you can adapt to thicker or thinner materials without losing precision. With sturdy construction and reliable internal gearing, this electric caulk gun feels more professional and dependable for frequent or heavy-duty use. Additional features like quick start triggers and removable cartridges also make reloads faster during large-scale sealing projects. Moving on to the Siligun compact caulking gun, this lightweight, compact model is designed for easy handling in tight spots or overhead work. Its smaller footprint makes it easy to maneuver in narrow spaces like corners, closets, or window edges, while the responsive trigger helps maintain clean application lines. The frame is built for durability and smooth action, reducing the chances of clogs or uneven flow. For users who want a balance of simplicity and control in a smaller package, this caulking gun delivers dependable performance without being bulky or difficult to use. Many users also find the precision tip and smooth feed mechanism helpful when working on detailed trim or finish carpentry tasks that require a steadier hand and finer output control. The rugged build and comfortable grip also make it a good choice for frequent touch-ups and smaller renovation jobs where precision matters most. Taking the number 2 spot is the Work Pro caulking gun, a durable choice that balances strength and versatility. Built with a sturdy frame and ergonomic handle, this model helps improve comfort and control during longer jobs. The smooth push plate and reliable trigger action make it easier to maintain consistent pressure without skipping or jerking, which is key for clean, professional-looking lines. Whether you're sealing bathtubs, installing molding, or repairing gaps around doors and windows, this gun feels steady and dependable in your hand. Its reinforced construction and rust-resistant components also contribute to a longer service life, even with frequent use. With a robust design that stands up well to job site conditions, this gun is a go-to for both pros and serious DIYers. Its extra long rod and anti-drip system further help reduce waste and keep your workspace cleaner throughout larger sealing projects. Claiming that top spot for overall performance, convenience, and modern features is the CC cordless caulking gun. This cordless model combines power and ease of use to handle both small touch-ups and larger sealing projects without fatigue. The battery-powered design gives you consistent, smooth pressure with minimal effort, making it ideal for jobs that require long runs of sealant or adhesive. Variable speed and pressure control help you adjust output depending on the material, whether you're working with thick construction adhesives or thinner caulking compounds. Many users appreciate the lightweight build and rechargeable battery convenience, which make this gun easy to take wherever your projects lead. With strong build quality, intuitive controls, and excellent battery life, this model stands out as a top pick for anyone who wants professional-level results with cordless freedom. All of these caulking guns cater to different project types and user needs. The Jess Innovations caulk gun offers simple, reliable operation for basic jobs. The Saker electric caulking gun adds power and reduced hand strain for larger tasks. The Siligun compact caulking gun focuses on easy handling in tight spots. The Work Pro caulking gun brings strength and control for regular use. And the CC cordless caulking gun delivers top-tier overall performance with cordless convenience and advanced pressure control. That wraps up our list of the best caulking guns of 2026, from straightforward manual options to powerful cordless models built for frequent use. If you're upgrading your toolkit, tackling a renovation, or just want a dependable caulking gun for sealing and adhesive work, there's a great choice here for you. Let us know in the comments which caulking gun you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next sealing project cleaner, faster, and more precise with the right tool by your side.